I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those.
A quick lesson about Victoria Day in Canada. Canada became an independent country separate from British rule in 1867. We are still part of the British Commonwealth and recognize the King or Queen of England as our monarch. Back in 1867, that was Queen Victoria, and to honor her, we made her birthday, May the 24th, a holiday in Canada and named it Victoria Day. In 1952, Victoria Day was officially changed to be a statutory holiday on the Monday immediately before May 24th to ensure that it would always be a long weekend. In recent years, it has just been referred to by many as the May 24 weekend, which is a bit of a double entendre because while it is on or near May 24th, the Canadian slang for a case of beer is a 2-4, and the 2-4 weekend has become the unofficial start of summer. And so, to honor the 2-4 weekend aspect of that, I hope to just relax over the weekend, and I'll do a couple of jigsaw puzzles, and then spend Victoria Day sitting out on my patio drinking beer in front of my fire pit. But I did rent that rototiller so that I could dig up part of my yard for a new walkway, so I should probably do that first. And I'm not going to enjoy my patio looking out onto an unkept yard, so I should probably do that too. Okay, now I can finally enjoy that beer. Yeah, let's just do those jigsaw puzzles. To honor Victoria, I am doing 2 jigsaw puzzles this weekend. Both are Villager brand puzzles, a Canadian puzzle brand based out of Comox, British Columbia. The first is a 500-piece puzzle entitled Victoria by artist Anja Jane, and the second is a 1,000-piece puzzle entitled Vancouver Sunset by artist Capri Sadler. So let's do this. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.